Ay, that's something that you can't avoid, di ba? Pero, like now, I'm just focusing on the solution. Trabaho lang. Kasi nakaka-distract yan eh. And it's not productive. You know, my experience in the private sector has made me very results-oriented. Dapat nakikita yung solusyon. So, madali lang naman yung magdebate tayo, madali lang yung mga theories, pero I'm very interested in solutions that can be implemented right away para maramdaman agad ng taong bayan. It may not be the most complete solution, it may not be the perfect solution, pero ang importante, yung mga nagagawa natin agad at nakakatulong tayo at nararamdaman tayo agad. Kasi parang useless naman kung debate tayo ng years, pero hindi naman natin natutulungan yung mga kababayan natin na magkabahay or hindi naman natin napapababa yung presyo ng mga bilihin, di ba? So, for me, dapat action agad and focus on the solution and focus on the work.